Hi guys, I'm Haspa with WTI and I love collecting lipsticks, and this one will always be part of my collection, and I want to tell you everything I love about this beautiful red lipstick. This is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Bullets in the shade 170 Alarm, and this is a beautiful red shade because it doesn't compare to other shades of red that I have. This one is satin, so it's not matte. You know, satin lipsticks have always been really classy. Um, they were actually the first ones to exist. That's why I always try to keep this one in my makeup organizer right there because I really think that this one's a must. I love wearing it when I'm going out, but I'm not gonna eat that much. Maybe when I'm going out for a drink or just for some tapas, but nothing too oily. This is a really creamy lipstick and it's long lasting, so you can reapply it if you want, but this color stays on for a long time. It's worked wonderfully in my case. Anytime I wear it, I don't have to reapply. I would only reapply if I am gonna take a picture or something like that, but for daily use, I don't worry at all because I know it stays on. It has a very smooth and creamy texture, and to me it's really comfortable to wear. It leaves my lips super soft and it's not heavy at all. Very lightweight. So if you're looking for a reliable lipstick, I recommend this one from Rimmel. It's a beautiful shade of red, and that's my point of view.